How to add stickers on Discord mobile. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can add stickers on Discord mobile, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, adding stickers on Discord mobile is actually quite very simple. All you have to do is open up the Discord application and simply navigate to the chat or wherever that you would like to send a sticker to. So let me just go ahead and select a particular one over here, right? So I'll just select a random one here, and once I have done that, I can simply tap on this messaging icon. Here you can see emoji icon. So from the emoji icon, once you have emoji, you can set stickers here. So from here, when you go to stickers, you can simply choose between many stickers that you would like to send and that Discord provides by default. Select the ones and then you can simply go ahead and then change them. In this way, you should be able to go ahead and then add stickers on Discord. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.